What's going on, everyone? My name is Mr. Awesomeburst, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a room here at the Encore Resort here in Las Vegas. As you can see, right now we're on one of the floors. This is one of the hallways. We're on the 54th floor. And yeah, this looks pretty nice. And well, yeah, here's our room right here. And I'm going to be showing you guys what's the room like. Let's go. Alright, here's the key card. Encore Las Vegas Resort Tower. See, it's pretty dark. Turn on the lights. All on. Oh, there we go. Yay! Alright. So this is what the room looks like. Pretty nice. I'm gonna show you guys the restroom real quick. So here's the restroom. So right now we have here, we have a nice tub, pretty spacious too. We have a shower, a walk-in shower. This is really nice. Really, really nice. You can also control the lights from here, night light. Lights. Alright. And here we have the sinks. Pretty nice. You have a nice mirror, some tissues, some accessories that you can use for the shower. And this actually has a TV also, as well, so you can see right here. And here is the toilet, very nice. Also comes with lights, got a phone right there. And normally some of the rooms do have bathrobes. Looks like this one doesn't. But yeah, alright, let's continue. Alright, and here we have the closet. As you can see, here is the closet. This is what it looks like. There's a safe in there, as you can see. Our personal stuff is here. Alright. Oh, this room also has connecting rooms, so if any of you guys have like friends or family, you can grab a room that has a connecting room, and then you can, yeah, connect the rooms. Here's a nice mirror. Hi! Nice mirror. Alright, so here is the actual room itself. Here we have a nice couch. Pretty big too. A good painting right there. Here's the mini bar. As you can see right here, they will charge you for anything that you grab. Normally it takes about 30 seconds before your account is charged with this. But yeah, they have cookies, popcorn, fruits and nuts, mix up, water, potato chips, and candy actually. And also gummies. A few other items back there. Very nice. And I believe there's also a fridge. I'm not sure if I can open it though. There's the fridge right there. Here are the beds. 2 queen-size beds. Look really controlled too. And you can actually control the lights from here as well, I think. Let's see. Oh yeah, lights. All on, all off, medium, low. Oh, that's nice. So yeah, the lights do go low, as you can see. Pretty nice. Or you can also turn them off. Or do night lights all just off. That's pretty good. There's also the drapes. You can also close the curtains. So that's pretty cool too, that you can like control this from your bed, which I think is pretty nice. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, and the TV as well. Here we have a desk. Room, well, I think the payment for the internet, it's already included on your stay, so yeah. And then here's the TV. You can choose between all this. Oh, pretty nice. Room dining, movies. For movies, you do actually have to pay. I believe so. Oh yeah, purchase $15.99. Yeah, pretty nice. And yeah. Alright. And yeah, that looks about it, yeah. Alright. Oh yeah, let me show you guys the view of the city. Hold on. So here we have the view of Las Vegas. Check it out. We have the Wynn right across right there. Treasure Island, the Mirage, Caesar's Palace. In the distance you can still see the Bellagio, the Cosmopolitan in the back right there. And the Strip. Very nice. The Rio. The Trump Tower. Forever 21. Yeah, pretty nice. And yeah, that's what the view looks like from here. Pretty nice. I'm gonna be uploading a little bit of, or putting on this video a little bit of the lobby of both the Wynn Encore. It looks really nice actually, and yeah, I want to share it with you guys. And yeah. Alright everyone, catch you guys later.
Yeah.
No, pues es la misma compañía.
¿Oh, sí?
Ajá. Está conectada. Alright guys, before I end the video, I want to give you guys a quick look at what it looks like during the morning here at the 54th floor of the Encore Resort. As you can see, that's too much glare. You see that's Treasure Island, the Mirage, Caesar's Palace. You can see Bellagio in the back, the Cosmopolitan, the Aria, I believe. Wynn. That's the parking lot of Wynn, the main entrance. The Encore Beach Club. And yeah, the Trump Tower. I-15 is back there. And the old Frontier used to be right here. I think it was demolished in 2007. We actually stayed at that hotel way back in 2003. Very nice. The airport is somewhere back there. And there is the Wynn Golf course. And I believe the state of California is roughly like 45 miles away from here. Over there. Very nice. Again, for the minibar, they will charge you if you get something. I forgot to put the prices, but here are the prices. I mean, it's not too bad. I got something, you know, just for like a little souvenir, but yeah. Here's the QR code. I'm not sure if you can scan it through the video, but there it is. And yeah, pretty nice. All right, let's go. We're checking out now. It was nice staying here, really comfortable, really nice. And yeah, all right. this is the parking lot. Alright everyone, well, that was our stay at the Encore. Really nice. And yeah, well, we're gonna head to Idaho now. Bye.